Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a bit different. We are doing a unboxing and reviewing on the Stratford Executive Office Chair. As you guys can see, I do have the box open and we are about to put it together. Also, in the end of the video, guys, please comment below if you would like a shout out in my next video on Sunday. I got my dog Bruno trying to help me put the chair together, but he's not doing a good job. So now I am putting on the wheels on the bottom star base that goes on the bottom of the chair. That would be part one. This is what you would have to do first, is get all of the wheels secure and on this base. In part two of the build, what you would want to do is actually tip over the star base with the wheels and get the mechanism that allows you to have the chair going up and down connected. It does come with 3 sleeves that will hold the chair together when you go up and down. Part 3, you would want to use, I believe they were the eye bolts, and you would want to line them up to this bracket here that actually holds the chair in place. And as you can see, I am using the eye bolts, the 4 eye bolts, to screw those in secure. Now I did mess up because on the bottom there is a plate on the back of the chair that you would actually have to also connect. So what I'm doing is I'm unscrewing them a bit, and I am getting that plate that you see here. I will have an arrow on it along with the J bolts to get them on. But I did mess up there, but luckily I looked at the directions and I corrected it before I had it all together. And here I am just screwing them all together and getting them nice and tight. Here we have them completed. Now once you have them completed, the second step would be getting the chair itself on the base, which you could see that I am about to do here. It is a little tricky doing it one person, but you are able to get it all done, with one person. It doesn't screw in, it just kind of snaps in together, and I guess there's a seal that seals it together so it won't fall. So as you can see, we have it about 90% done. We just have to get the arms on next. Now we are getting the arms on. If you look at the bottom of the arms, you'll have a left and a right, so you wouldn't get confused. And it comes with a total of 4 bolts, and then some covers that you would cover over the bolts once the chair is all connected. But it's pretty easy to do. It probably took me about 25 minutes to get the whole chair completed. I could tell you this, it is worth the money. I believe I picked it up for $109 over at my local Big Lots, and it is a lot comfortabler than my previous office chair that I used to use. One of the reasons why I am making this video is I was looking for a video on YouTube and I did not see anybody that had this particular model. But as you can see, it is a very nice chair and it is very comfortable with those cushions that it has on the back. Here I am doing some dramatic spinning in slow motion just to show you. But yep, it is all completed. I hope that this video helped you guys a lot. And also guys, this is my weekly shout out video for Sunday's video. So if you would like a shout out in Sunday's video, please comment your name and your channel below, and I'll make sure that I get you guys in Sunday's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.